Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, so in this video, I will tell you about the idea that changed life. Yeah, understanding about Darwin, the Charles Darwin theory of evolution. Yeah, so in this video, I will talk about the evolution, the theory of evolution from the Charles Darwin. Yeah. So imagine living in a world where every species was believed to have been created separately, fixed in form, and never changing. This was the dominant belief before 1800, when a quiet British naturalist named Charles Darwin published on the origin of species. His book was not just a science text, it was an intellectual earthquake that respected how we see nature, our planet, and even ourselves. At its heart, Darwin theory rests on the two powerful observations, variation and natural selection. Darwin noticed that no two individuals within a species are exactly alike, whether in size, color, speed, or disease resistance. This small difference, called variance, are often passed down from parent to offspring. These variants are the raw material for evolution, like that. And wait, uh, the second pillar of natural selection, Darwin brilliant mechanism for how evolution works. In nature, more individual are born than can possible survive. Resources like food, shelter, and mates are limited. This creates our constant struggle for existence. Individuals with traits that give them even a slight advance better camouflage, yes, like that. Sharper vision or the ability to digest new foods are more likely to survive and reproduce. Over time, these advantageous traits become more common in the population. Darwin revolution ideas were set by his 5 years voyage aboard the HMS Beagle. During this journey, he visited the Gulf Coast Island and un- curated a group of small birds that would become a legendary. Darwin visits on each island. The visits had different big shapes. Some were thick and strong for cracking nuts. Others were slender for probing flowers or catching insects. Darwin realized these birds likely shared a common ancestor but had adapted to different food, such as on different islands, a perfect living example of adaptation like that. And with Darwin theory also offered a beautiful explanation for homology, the striking similarity in bone structure among simile. Unrelated animals, yeah, I forget about that. So, like the way does a bat wing, a cat leg, a whale flipper, and a human arm all share the same basic arrangement of bones. Yeah, so it's just of many bones from like the animals or maybe the human. This basic structure was modified for different purposes, flying, running, swimming, or grasping, but the blueprint remained. Of course, groundbreaking theory was made with Fry's resistance. It challenged the widely held belief in special creation and turned the idea of humanity uniquely placed in the universe. The suggestion that humans and modern apes shared a common ancestor was especially controversial. However, Darwin never claimed humans descend from apes. Instead, he purposed that human and modern great ape both descend from a common. I feel like ancestor that life long ago like that. Yeah, the true power of Darwin theory lies in its ability to explain a wide range of biological phenomena under a single framework. Fossil records showing the traditional form such as like the Archaeopteryx, Archaeopteryx, yeah, a creature with both reptilian and bird-like features suddenly made sense. The geographic distribution of species, similar in ambition, development, and even the existence of vestigial organs are found, meaning through the lens of evolution by natural selection. And in the 20 or 21 centuries, Darwin theory has been strengthened by discovery he never imagined. The discovery of DNA provide the physical mechanism of for interference and variation. Genetic mutation create a new variants, and natural selection acts upon this genetic diversity. This science known as the modern science. Uses Darwinian. Yeah, I forget about that word. Selection with Mendelian genetics and from the foundation of modern evolutionary biology. So for the the things or the meaning of this I talked yet about the Darwin is like purpose Darwin greatest legacy. It's not a set of fact, but a new way of thinking. He taught us to see life not as a static collection of spirit beings, but as a dynamic, incorporated family tree, one that is still growing, branching, and adapting. He revealed that change is not expansion in nature. It is a true rule. By understanding the force that shaped life in the past, we become better equipped to protect its incredible diversity in the future. Okay, maybe that's all for me about the talk about the idea that changed life. We are understanding Darwin theory of evolution. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if I have any mistake when I talk to you. And let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.